morning, welcome to my channel. So it's Saturday morning and we about to make some breakfast. As you could tell by the title, it's a what I eat in a day. If you're new to my channel, I'm on a weight loss journey, currently like 80 something pounds down. You know, I'm trying to work, trying to lose this weight. So if you're also on a weight loss journey, continue watching. I'm gonna be showing you guys some of the recipes or some of the things that I eat during my weight loss journey. So if you're interested, stay tuned. So on like Tuesday or like Wednesday morning, I don't remember, I posted on my Instagram story like my breakfast. I made a breakfast quesadilla and y'all like blew up my DMs like, okay, we need the recipe, we need a video, like what's up? And so I'm gonna deliver and show you guys how I make it. I mean, it's pretty easy. It's not like anything intricate or anything, but y'all wanted to see how I do it, so I'm gonna show you guys. It's really good. It's pretty macro friendly. If you don't know already, like I started counting my macros. I talked about it a little bit in my last video, I think the video before that, but I'm counting my macros. I got a personal trainer and he's also helping me with my nutrition, and like it's lit. From my last video, my macros and my calories actually changed. I'm now eating 1,702 calories. Before it was 1,770. Then it went down to 1,730. But I never made a video when I was in that like stage. But right now I'm doing 1,702 calories, and I'll put my macros on the screen so you guys could see what my macros are as well. But this breakfast quesadilla fits really well in my macros, and it's really good and it's low calorie, so we about to make it. I'm not even gonna lie, I made it twice in the last week, twice, because it's that good. So let's go make it. I'm gonna show you guys the ingredients. For the tortilla, I used the Olay Extreme Fitness. This one is green. It's the spinach and herb ones, but they also have like just the regular ones, but this is the one I have right now. And the macros on here is crazy. It's 50 calories and 1.5 grams of fat, 4 grams of net carbs, and 5 grams of protein. Like, okay, yes. I found this at Walmart. It's the only place I could find it. I've looked other places, but I've only found it at Walmart, so that's where I get that. For my bacon, I'm using the Oscar Mayer center cut bacon, and it's 60 calories for 2 slices. See if it'll focus so you guys could see. Yeah, it's 60 calories for 2 slices. Lit. I'm using an egg and some egg whites, and I have some of my fat-free cheddar. You guys, if you watch my channel, I use this a lot. Bomb. And it's 45 calories for 28 grams, or 1/4 cup. And I'm just going to be using my salt, pepper, and Himalayan salt seasoning for the seasonings. And yeah. So I'm actually going to start off with air frying my bacon. I'm going to use 3 slices and put it in the air fryer for at 400 degrees. I used to make my bacon on the stove or put it in the oven, but then I found out you could air fry it, and it's just so much easier. It's easier and faster, so air frying it is. I'm seasoning my eggs. Now my eggs are all ready. I'm gonna put that in the pan, and we'll start making our quesadilla. So I'm just spraying my pan with some non-sticking spray, non-stick cooking spray. I'm adding in my eggs, of course. Then I'm gonna add some cheese on top so that the tortilla could stick to it. And I'll add my cheese all over. So my bacon's all done. So I added in my bacon, and I just folded the quesadilla in half, and I'm just gonna let it cook and get some nice color. Flip it. All done. Taste test. this has easily became one of my favorite breakfasts, only because it's so fast to make. It literally takes like, I would say 8 minutes, 5 to 8 minutes. And it's just so tasty and it's so filling. So this whole thing is 32. So this whole thing is 32.5 grams of protein, 6 grams of carbs, and 13.2 grams of fat. So the macros are great and it's really filling. 288 calories, 280 calories, fire. I'll see you guys for lunch. So I just opened up my new box of Built Bars. I love these so much. They're so macro friendly. This is actually my favorite flavor right here, caramel brownie, and it's only 130 calories, 17 grams of protein, like 4 net carbs, 2.5 grams of fats, and how much sugar? It has 4 grams of sugar. This is really good. The macros and like nutrition is really good. I really love these bars. I'm so happy I got a new box. There's literally so many flavors, like mint brownie, almond coconut, double chocolate, raspberry, peanut butter, coconut. Like literally it goes on and on. And this thing is like filled with bars. I believe there's like 18 in here, but I'm so happy. I got my knife here as I was opening my package. I'm so happy that I have so many. I literally go through these like crazy. I love them. They're such a great way to get your protein in. So if you're interested, check them out. I have a link in my description and I also have a coupon code. So I'm telling you, don't miss out because it's so good. So I just got my Starbucks. I get a grande cold brew with a pump of mocha, a pump of caramel, and 2 pumps of sugar-free vanilla with a splash of like half and half cream. Fire. I really like it and it's 75 calories, so that's not bad at all. I got this from the Macro Barista. Let me put this down. I got it from the Macro Barista and he has like a whole bunch of recipes for like Starbucks and stuff and like homemade coffee, all of it. And so I was like scrolling through his page looking for some like macro friendly drinks and I found this. Fire. I love it. I'll post a picture like from his Instagram and post it so you guys could see. But yeah, I've really been on like a coffee kick lately. I've never been one who like liked coffee, or like I've never been a person who like drank coffee. I've never been somebody who like drinks coffee. Like, I don't know, like it just never really appealed to me. But I just started and I'm like, ooh, okay, I get it. I understand what you like. I just understand. I get it. Coffee's fire and the energy that I get is unmatched. So it's good. The first time I had this though, I had the jitters really bad. Like I was just like, but I'm getting better. I'm getting better. But yeah, I'm about to go get some lunch. I'm like out right now. I'm not gonna be home for a while, so I think I might stop somewhere. I'm trying to decide where I want to stop really. Like there's really nothing that I really want. I think I might go to Jersey Mike's and get a sub in a tub. I've never had one of their sub in a tubs, but I've had like an actual sub. But I know that that's like a more low calorie, like macro friendly option. So I think I might go there and try it out. I'm kind of iffy about it because I don't know, like, but I don't know. I think I'm gonna try it out and see what it's about. Hopefully it's good, so you guys will know. But yeah, we about to go there, get some lunch, and then I have a whole bunch of stuff to do. I wish I could just go home and just lay down and be in my bed. Always. I'm a homebody. I've always been a homebody. I don't really like being out like that. Like, no thanks. I want to be home. Here's my lunch here. This is Jersey Mike's. I just got a chicken bacon ranch in a tub. Here it is. I'll have all the nutrition on the screen. I'm about to taste it and let you guys know what it's hitting for because I never tried it before. So I didn't want to do ranch. I wanted to do honey mustard, but he already put the ranch on before I could say that, but it's fine. So I'm about to taste this. I know this is keto friendly because there's somebody I follow. I can't remember who on Instagram who's keto, and they get this a lot. So that's what made me want to try it. So I'm about to taste it. My camera's literally about to die, so it's actually really good. I did not have high hopes for this at all. Next time I think I would just add some like pickles and onions and stuff. Honestly, I felt kind of rushed in there or maybe it's just my anxiety. But so like I didn't ask for it, but I really wanted to. But it's actually not bad. It's basically just like a salad. But next time I'm definitely gonna substitute the ranch for honey mustard, just to bring like the calories down just a little bit. It's not super high in calorie, but it would be nice to bring it down a little bit. I'm really trying to watch my carb intake, just because I feel like I eat too many carbs. Once I started tracking my macros, I saw with like my past meals before I started how many carbs I was eating, and I was just like, wow, ODing on the carbs. I'm trying to eat more low carb, high protein, but not keto. You know what I mean? Like I still want to have a good amount of carbs, just not like, I don't know. Hey guys, so it's dinner time. It's actually the next day from when you guys saw breakfast and lunch. I wasn't able to film dinner, but I'm filming dinner today, and I'm making chicken drumsticks and some mac and cheese and some greens. I think I might just do like a little salad on the side. So I'm about to start right now. So here is my chicken. It's already cleaned, and I'm just gonna season it. I have some herbs and spice, some garlic powder, some Montreal seasoning, original no salt, all-purpose seasoning, and my garlic pepper and Himalayan salt seasoning. And my secret ingredient for my drumsticks is baking powder right here. This is also what I use for my chicken wings, but this gives that crunchy skin and kind of like a fried chicken effect. So I'm going to show you guys how I do it. So I'm just adding my seasonings to my chicken. Also going to add a spritz of avocado oil. So I have all my seasonings in here, and I'm just going to mix it all up. Now that it's all mixed up nicely, I'm going to add some baking powder. And I just mix that up as well. So here is the chicken. It's all marinated, and it also has the baking powder on top. I usually let this sit for like 15 to 30 minutes to soak in the flavor and everything, but I am pressed on time, so I'm just going to throw it in the air fryer right now. So this is the mac and cheese that I'm going to be using. Sometimes I make mac and cheese. Sometimes I just use this frozen one from Trader Joe's. I'm pressed on time today, so frozen mac and cheese it is. But this is the macros, 270 calories. The macros aren't that great. It is pretty high in protein, but yeah. And I'm checking on my chicken now, and it's looking good so far. I just added one more piece because I just had one, and I'm like, why not just cook it? So that's how we're doing right now. And when this has like 10 minutes left, then I'll just microwave my mac and cheese. You could also bake it in the oven, but like I said, I'm pressed on time, so I'm just gonna make it in the microwave, and it's still good like that. So I know I look super rough, but I feel like I have to do a taste test. So here's my plate. The mac and cheese is so good. And for the chicken, this is how the chicken is looking. Does this not look so good? All right. Wow. This chicken is amazing. Like, it literally tastes like fried chicken. I can't. It's so good. It's literally like so good. This meal goes to show you that, you know, your meals don't always got to be boring. They could be fun. They could be well balanced. I literally have to run out of here. I have to be somewhere in like 15 minutes. I'm so late. So I'm literally about to like scarf this down and leave. But I hope that you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, make sure to leave a big thumbs up and subscribe if you're not already. I will have my calorie and macro breakdown on the screen for you guys. So do me a favor and leave me some meals down below that you guys like to cook on your weight loss journey if you're on one, or like just some healthy meals that you like to make. Leave them down below because I'd like to try them out. I always like to try new things out, new things in the kitchen. So let me know down below. And yeah, I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope to see you in my next one. Bye guys. Ew, when I do a peace sign. Ugh, goodbye.